back to the crafting show. Yesterday, I just got a lot of new Amazon boxes, all kind of shape and sizes. So when I got these specific sizes that I needed, I had them all. And so that's how I created this cozy book nook. Now, I was watching this interior design show, and that's how I got inspired to make this book nook. And so, now let's get started. First, we have a sturdy table. There's a tabletop. I use like a flat box. And here we have a base. It's a good box, very sturdy. And this is my table where you can read your books on. Next, this colorful big rug you can see I used from a homemade blanket that I made. It's perfect for a rug and it's very soft. And here, of course you'll need it for a book nook, this bookshelf. I put a lot of books on it so that I can read. I really love reading. And guess what I'm sitting on? And now we show you this cozy little chair that I used out of only 2 boxes. It's a very easy chair. So I cut open one box. I have a box here. I use this as a seat. I cut open this big part and now I put a small other box down here. So I can take this, hold it, and feed it down right on the box. So that on the seat will stay sturdy and that you can actually sit on this chair. And you can sit on it and pick a book and read. Thanks for watching.